This week, we will be sitting down with partners of the United Way of Central Oklahoma. And this morning, we are introducing you to the State Mental Health Association, working to promote mental health, prevent suicide, and so much more. So to tell us more, let's go ahead and welcome in Carrie Bloomert. Carrie, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
So let's start with this first question, talking more about what services you all provide that you see, have made the biggest difference in Oklahoma. What are those?
Yeah. So we're a statewide nonprofit, but here in Central Oklahoma, we do a lot of street outreach. We have trained teams who go out and engage with people who are experiencing homelessness and oftentimes mental illness. And we connect with them, build a relationship with them, and get them into supportive housing and affordable housing so that they can be independent long-term and get the treatment that they need.
What impact do you see, from just your street? Like, you all are having teams go out and meet people where they are. What impact do you see that having on them?
So a lot of these folks that are sleeping outside, unsheltered, they've had some pretty bad experiences with the system. They may have had interaction with law enforcement or the emergency room, and they have a hard time trusting folks. And so we will go back over and over and over. We go in plain clothes and we just build a relationship with them and build that trust. And we own our own apartment units here in Oklahoma City, and we can get folks connected with affordable housing pretty quickly.
And it starts with building that relationship and building that trust. I want to talk more about how you all are, expanding mental health care here, especially in communities in need, because you talked a little bit about, the apartments that you have available, but even beyond that, there are communities here where it's especially needed.
Yeah, we are desperately in need of more affordable housing, more places that folks can rent and not be rent burdened. But a lot of our services that we provide are desperately needed. And of course, with state cuts and potential federal cuts, we need support from our local community now more than ever, which is why we love being a United Way partner and helping raise funds for United Way that ultimately come back to the agencies.
Yeah, we can talk more about the United Way right now because you all are a big community partner with them. How has that partnership helped you all in the work that you do here in the state?
We really like being a United Way partner because it gives us a bit of a legitimacy. United Way vets all of their partner agencies and makes sure that the best, most well-run agencies are partners. And so we're always really proud to tell people that we're a United Way partner. And it also puts us in a community with other agencies that provide services to our most vulnerable Oklahomans. And so it gives us a little bit of a community among those who do this work.
And can you share with our viewers watching right now who might be unfamiliar with some of the services that you provide, how the United Way has directly impacted you all?
So here in Central Oklahoma, United Way supports our youth mental health program. We will take that program anywhere in the state, but United Way supports us here in Central Oklahoma, and we bring age-appropriate mental health education into schools. And then we also provide free screenings, and so parents can opt in for their child to get a free screening, and then the family is connected with more resources if that child needs more help.
How critical would you say that those resources are, especially these are our youngest Oklahomans?
Yeah. The youth mental health crisis is thankfully being talked about more. Social media doesn't help. COVID really did a number. And so we really want to bring the support and resources, especially to schools who may not have ever had it before, and teach kids how to talk about it, how to ask for help, and how to connect their parents with resources.
Okay, Carrie, last question here. It's a really big one for people who want to know more about your group and also about United Way. Where can they go online to find that information?
So our website is mhaok.org, mhaok.org, and then United Way is unitedwayokc.org.
All right, Carrie, thank you so much for coming in and giving us all this information about what you all are doing here in the state. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right, we're going to talk more about all of the things, the partnerships with United Way throughout the week. You can catch those live interviews at 9 and 11 a.m., so be sure to join us here again all week long.